Well, let's get another look at Oracle, because those shares are up in overtime, about 6.5% right now. Joining us now is Angelo Zino from CFRA. Angelo, I want to get your thoughts on what we did get from Oracle, including the fact that, as I pull this up, they talked about in the release the demand for Gen 2 AI infrastructure substantially exceeding supply, despite the fact that they're continuing to open new and expand existing cloud data centers, and even going so far as to say that they expect 43% of current $80 billion of remaining performance obligations to be recognized as revenue over the next 4 quarters. I mean, how does that speak to how Oracle's positioning itself, not only throughout its cloud transition, but into this AI moment?
Yeah, no, thanks for having me. So, as far as the results are concerned, I think they were, they were good, better than expected. And, following, I'd say the last 2 quarters out there, I think that was probably enough for investors out there, given kind of the downtrend that we've kind of seen on the cloud side of things, specifically on the infrastructure side of things, their OCI business. And when you kind of look at the numbers here this quarter, it looks like definitely we've seen some stabilization in terms of the growth trajectory on the cloud side of things versus the prior quarter. And you kind of look, you kind of alluded to some of the RPOs out there and kind of some of the momentum on the Oracle cloud infrastructure side of things. That's really what investors kind of want to see, where they want to see the momentum right now, because clearly as that OCI business kind of continues to see strong growth, eventually kind of, we think it kind of leads into that SaaS business as well. So I think overall, the indication here is better than expected momentum as we kind of go into the next couple of quarters. We do want to see what the guidance looks like. We'll hear that on the call. A year ago in the May quarter, there was a very difficult comp in terms of the infrastructure side of things. But for all, when we kind of look at this, it looks pretty good.
Okay. What to make of Cerner, which we know has been a drag on growth? It says here as well in the release, it's talking about moving a majority of Cerner's customers over to Oracle's Gen 2 cloud infrastructure. Is that a situation that can reinvigorate that part of the company after underperforming perhaps more than expectations with that deal closing back in 2022?
Yeah, no, and as far as the Cerner business is concerned, I'd say kind of that's been kind of the other area of disappointment out there for investors, right? It's been that infrastructure side of things and then the deceleration, as well as the Cerner business. And, again, we'll get a little bit more color in terms of what the guide looks like in the breakdown, with or without Cerner here next quarter. But for all indications, I mean, again, yeah, it looks like, in our view, Cerner should start, stabilizing here. We probably see some good momentum in the coming quarters. They are going to, clearly kind of put more kind of Gen AI capabilities that you kind of saw here. They allude to over the next couple of quarters, and we'll see what type of momentum that kind of builds on Cerner's side of things. It probably will take time. But that being said, I think you're probably, past the worst of it as far as Cerner is concerned.